Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn watercolor full moon night. I have taken 300 GSM textured paper. We will first wet the entire paper as we are going to be doing the wet on wet effect. Now we will take white color and simply make a rim around the moon. Now we will take blue color, dilute it with water and simply apply it on our paper. We will repeat this process on the entire paper. Just ensure that you do not mix this color or let it go onto the moon. We will now take white color, do not dilute it too much with water and simply sprinkle it on the blue area of the painting. We will now create shadows on the moon. We will now learn to make a pine tree with a fan brush. Take black, dilute it very little with water and take your fan brush and simply dab it on the paper just like I have done. This way you use a fan brush to make pine trees. To give the painting a snowy effect, we will sprinkle some white on the tree. Once done, blow dry your entire painting and peel off the masking tape in an outward direction to ensure you don't tear your paper. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you do not miss a notification.